Live na live
Ay,
here
si
at the
Lofi.
stage.
Punta ka rito.
Yes.
Punta rito.
Sino? Sino? Ay, mga katanungan kayo.
Oh,
Alam ko may gusto
judge
kayo
pala to eh.
alaman.
Naging
Ay,
judge pala to
kasi
si
yung
Lofi.
judge, yes. Pero first and foremost, what's your name?
Ako po si VJ, leader po ng group.
Leader. Okay, nice to meet you. And then, how about you?
I'm Rugo.
Hi.
I'm Kaiser po.
Oy, parang ano sandali lang. Next one.
Hello po, my name is Axis.
Next one.
Hello po, my name is Santos.
Ay, alam niyo, di ko na marinig yung pangalan nila. Diba? At sino dito sa inyo ang single? Ay, lahat sila!
Lahat sila!
Rumampa na kayo! Oh my gosh, mga taga-san kayo?
Lahat po kami ng dorm po sa QC po. Magkakasama po kami sa dorm.
From QZ, all of you. So what do you do on the weekends? Aside from performing, ano yung mga pinagkakaabalahan nyo?
Ako po usually every weekends or siguro kung masweldohan po may mga events yung TCG, Pokemon cards po specifically. Mahilig po kasi mag-collect ng Pokemon cards. Oh, sige. Sa tayo. Ay, mali.
Pero mo, nerd na, gwapo pa. Ay! Ano naman, question ko is, for each of you, ano yung favorite food nyo? Let's start off with you.
Ito po, non-negotiable, hash brown.
Ako po po ulam sinigang po.
Ako naman, anything spicy.
Ako po cheese bread po, cheese bread po siyang paboritong food, di po siya kumakain. Ako po siguro underrated na Filipino food pero laing.
Uy!
Laing. Talaga, parang feeling ko hindi siya masyadong ina-appreciate pero laing for me is the best po.
Yan. Okay, so I want to know more about you guys. I think everyone wants to know that. How did you form your group and what year kayo nag-start? That's, sino ba ito?
Yan, so yung Six Sense po, nag-debut po siya last year.
Oh.
Pero we started training po early 2024 and then nag-debut po kami ng December 2024 din.
Oh.
2024? Tama, di ba? 2024. And then, yung group po is na-form from auditions, tapos yung iba po is handpicked. So, everyone, after po na-form ng group, nag-training po kami and then na-launch po kami as Six Sense.
Oh, I see. Ang gaganda ng mga songs nila, by the way. Yung I like that last one. Like, it's
Piliin mo
so
ako.
catchy.
Yeah.
Was that your best-selling song?
It's our latest single po.
It's your latest
Pero I
single.
think it's the most streamed song namin as of now. Sobrang bilis niyang tumaas sa mga streaming platforms po.
You know what? I think you guys are gonna do great. I think you guys are gonna be really, really big in the long term. Do you guys think they're gonna have a big break soon? 'Cause I know they will. You know, see, you got some really, really loyal followers.
Pero partner, may isa pa akong gusto malaman. Para sa mga kababaihan here.
Ayaw ko marinig yan. Ano yan?
Yes. Paano kayo, meron ba kayong time sa pakikipag-date?
Ayan na.
Actually, yung days po kasi namin filled ng practice, ganyan. Tapos, pag wala po kami practice, usually tulad today, dalawa yung events namin after this. Meron
Just
pa
for
kami.
today?
Yes po, dalawa po yung event namin today. So, medyo hectic po yung schedule, kaya maybe mga
In the
few
future.
years, yeah.
In a
few
new
years
year
from
po.
now.
Ilang years?
Career po, ma'am. Career po. ma'am.
Okay. Ay, sino ba yung sigaw to sa likod? Sino yan?
Si Anya kinikilig.
Yan po yung gusto ko yung sinisigawan ko ako eh.
Ayun po yung gusto. Ayun na.
Teka lang. Anong klaseng sigaw yan? Anong klaseng sigaw?
Ano klase sigaw ba yan?
Yun na po ba yung question?
Ay,
Yun ang
ganun.
mama niya.
Kayo, each and every one of you, how young are you? Starting from there, yeah.
Ako po, I'm 21.
21.
Going 22 on 25th.
Okay, how about the next one?
Ako po wala po sa ano.
30!
Ay, oh,
Alam lang po nila.
ilan taon na siya? 22?
Yes po.
Ay, grabe. Mga solid fans. Next?
18 daw po.
18?
No, no.
Daw. Hindi, 22 po.
22 din.
Ako po, 3.
3.
Pag 3, pataas!
Ah!
Hindi, ano po, I'm... 20.
20.
may 23 po siya.
23, okay.
Meron pa po kami isang member para sa LA. May sakit siya today kaya hindi siya nakapunta guys.
So kulang pala kayo.
Kulang po kami isa.
Originally, you are 6.
6 po talaga
Kaya
kami.
6 cents.
Yes po.
Oh, that's why
For now, ano
everyone-
lang sila, 5 cents lang sila.
Oh, 5 cents lang sila today.
Ayun na nga. Ano pa naman, 5 senses pala. The body. Anyway, ayun. So, kung wala kayong questions, okay.